Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have 8 amazing and secret tricks of Google Chrome, and I'm sure most of the Android users do not know about these tricks, and these are very useful and really amazing as well. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first trick which I have right now, do you know that our Google Chrome is also a calculator? You can calculate anything here in this Google Chrome as well. See this is the calculation result here, which we get it here. Anything you want to calculate, simply just have to type the numbers here and it will give you the answer straight away. This work as a calculator. And not only this, let's suppose you don't have any media player in your computer. So what exactly you can do, this Google Chrome can work like a media player for you as well. So there is a video right now here on my desktop. What I need to do, I just need to drag it onto my Google Chrome address bar like this and then click on enter. It will start playing here. See this video is running right now in my Google Chrome as well. So if you have any video which does not support any of your media player, then you can run it in your Google Chrome as well. And in the same way, you can also open any image, any PDF, anything in this address bar as well. So this is an amazing trick. You must try this one as well. Now let's talk about the second trick, and the second trick is really amazing, and you can able to make the group of the tabs which you are opening on your Google Chrome. Yes, this is on the top. You can see this. I have already made 3 groups of these tabs. If I click any one of them, Google, these have 3 tabs, stock market I have 3 tabs, and online shopping I have 3 tabs. If you have so many of tabs here on the top and you get confused which one you need to open, you can create their groups and it will be look like this, and you can able to easily open them whichever you want. Now how to make it, let me just show you. I'm gonna ungroup them first of all, and then I'll create it again. I can also ungroup these group as well by giving a right click on these tabs and click on this ungroup. Now what I need to do, let's suppose I need to make a group of Google, so I need to hold these 3 tabs of Google. I have to hold my control key down and then I have to press 3 tabs, and then I have to give a right click, and then there is an option I will be getting, that is add tabs to new group. Click on this one and then give a name to this, that is Google, and then I can also give a color to this one as well, that's a blue, and click on anywhere on the screen and it is ready right now. I can click on this Google again and it will automatically covered under this group. In the same way, I can also create the stock market group. I can just hold the control key down, press 3 of them, all of them, and give a right click to them, and then I have to click on this add tab to the group and then click on this new group and give a name to this one, that is stock market, and give a color, and then go out of this one and click on this one, and all my tabs automatically get covered under this stock market. See this is very easy and very convenient for you to make the group of all the tabs which are open on your screen, and you can able to separate them. That's a very amazing trick. You must try this one. Now let's talk about the third trick, and the third trick is very amazing and very useful. Sometimes you have seen that by mistake we have closed our tabs. Let's suppose if I close this one, but I don't want to close that tab, I want to get it back. So what I need to do, I just have to hold my control key and the shift key down and then press T as in tango. The moment I do that, I will be getting it back. See this? It is automatically comes back again. The same tab which was there on the same page, everything automatically comes back to me. I won't be losing it. So this is an amazing trick. Whenever you lose any tab, simply just hold Control Shift and T, and then you will be getting it back like this. That is really amazing trick of Google Chrome. You must check it and use it as well in your computer. Now let's talk about the fourth one, and the fourth is also very useful. Let's suppose I have so many of tabs open on my screen right now like this, and I don't want to lose any one of the tab. Let's suppose this one, I don't want to lose this one. What I need to do, I just need to give a right click to this and click on this pin. The moment I click on this pin, it will automatically comes in there, and all these tabs are there, but this one is there and it is on the number 1. Now let's suppose if I want to close the tabs, all of the tabs, and whenever I open all my tabs, my tab always being there here. See this? Because this tab is always being pinned here, and it will always remain on my Google Chrome. It won't go anywhere. This is being pinned. See this? If I close this one again, I open it again, and this tab is always there. So I won't be missing this tab. Whenever I open my Google Chrome, it will right in front of me, always there on my screen. So you can also pin your important tabs which you don't want to lose from your computer. Now let's talk about the next trick, and that is also very useful and totally unique. Let's suppose I'm shopping something on my Google Chrome. I click on this bed sheet and I go to this one here, and I want to buy this one, but I want to make the payment on my phone, not on my computer. But this page is open on my computer. So what I need to do, I just have to press this link on the top which is there on my Google Chrome. I give a right click to this, and then I will be getting an option of send to my Vivo phone, this one. The moment I click on this one, it will show that sending, and it will be sent to my phone. A message will come up on my phone, and I can able to see the same page, and I can able to make the payment on my phone as well. But this trick only works if you are logged in with the same email address which you are logged in on your phone as well. Right now I'm logging on to this email address here on my Google Chrome, and the same email address I'm logged in on my phone as well. Then only this trick will work, otherwise it won't work. So this is an amazing trick. If you want to make the payment on your phone, not on your computer, then you can able to transfer and shift everything to your phone very easily just by giving a right click and send it to your Vivo phone, and it will show sending here. See this? So that is also really amazing trick. You must try this one. Now let's talk about the sixth trick, and that is also really amazing and very useful. For that, you have to click on these three lines which is on the right side of the top, and then you have to go to the setting, and in setting you have to click on this advanced which is there, and on the bottom you will be getting an option of clean your computer. Yes, with Google Chrome you can able to clean the whole computer. You can click on this one here, and then it will give you an option to find any harmful software, because most of the software which we download it from Google Chrome, or Google Chrome can easily find any harmful software or any infection in your computer and make it clean as well. So you can click on this find, and it will automatically start searching everything for you and give you the result within few minutes and make your computer safe and secure as well. And the second thing, you can also click on this restore setting to the original default. You can click on this one and then reset the setting, like all the settings which were there, it will automatically get reset and goes to the default, and your Google Chrome will get reset and start from the beginning and give you a good experience when you start using your Google Chrome again on your computer. So that is also very useful trick. So you must try this one as well. This is very important as well. Now let's talk about the next trick, and next trick is also there in your Google Chrome settings. Most of the time you have seen that you have to fill a form and it will ask for your name and address and everything, and there is an option of autofill. For that you have to just click on this option here, and then you have to click on this add, and you have to enter all your information, your address, name, cities and everything. Once you save everything here, whenever you fill any form on your Google Chrome, it will give you an option that it is already there. You can simply click one click and it will automatically fill that for you. So this is very important trick. You should try this one as well. Now the last trick is very important and very useful for every Android user, because whenever we turn on our Google Chrome, we get a page here. This one, this is my page which I have set it here, but you can also set your page as per your choice. Go to the setting, and in setting on the bottom you will be getting an option of on startup, this one. You can choose any option here. Open the new page tab, you can click on this one, or you can choose continue where you left off. You have opened so many of websites and you have closed your computer or laptop, then the next day when you came back, you will be getting all the websites. Set it here on your Google Chrome where you left. So that is also very good option here. You can also click on the last option, this one, which will automatically save those pages which are right now open on your Google Chrome, and it will make it as your home page. So you can also set it as a use as a current pages, and then it will automatically get set. So this is also really amazing trick. You should try this one as well. So these are the really amazing trick which you have to do it on your Google Chrome right now. You have to check, and all of them are really amazing. I hope you like all of them. I know that you must be having so many of questions related to this. You can simply comment below, and I will try my best to give all the answers of your question related to Google Chrome queries. Thank you very much. Bye bye.